Hello everyone, today we solve exercise 4.3 question number 2. The question 2 is find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. क्वेश्चन 1 में 4 पार्ट है और ये जो 4 पार्ट्स हैं इनको क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला से इसके जो रूट्स हैं वो फाइंड करना है। तो फर्स्ट पार्ट है 2x² माइनस 7x प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0। ये जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है इस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन और वी कैन से रूट्स फाइंड करना है क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला से। और क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला होता है x इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a। इस फॉर्मूला में ये जो a है a इक्वल टू कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर दैट इज 2 एंड b इक्वल टू कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x दैट इज माइनस 7 and c is constant term that is 3। क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला से रूट फाइंड करने से पहले हमें वैल्यू फाइंड करना है रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का। तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड the value of b square minus 4ac. b is minus 7 square minus 4a is 2 and c is 3. Minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 multiply 2 8 and 8 multiply 3 that is 24. 49 minus 24 is 25 or 25 is greater than 0. 25 is greater than 0. Now we put the value of b squared minus 4ac in quadratic formula. Therefore x equal to minus b minus b is equal to minus 7 and minus b is minus of minus 7 plus minus root of value of b square minus 4ac is 25 divided by 2a is 2. Minus of minus 7 is 7 plus minus root of 25 is 5 and 2 multiply 2 is 4. अब x का वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए फर्स्ट हम पॉजिटिव साइन लेंगे और देन नेगेटिव साइन लेंगे। तो बाय टेकिंग पॉजिटिव साइन x इक्वल टू 7 प्लस 5 divided by 4. 7 plus 5 that is 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 we get 3. Therefore x equal to 3. And by taking negative sign x equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4. 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 4. By dividing 2 we get 1 upon 2. So the roots are x equal to 3 and 1 upon 2. The second part is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to coefficient of x that is 1 and c is constant term that is minus 4. And we know that the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First we find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b is 1 square minus 4, a is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 4. 1 square is 1 minus 4 multiplied to 8 and multiply minus 4. 1 minus 8 multiply minus 4, that is 32 plus 32. Minus multiply minus plus, and 8 multiply 4, 32. And 1 plus 32 is 33. And the value of v square minus 4ac is 33. That is greater than 0. Now we find the root of given quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Therefore, x equal to minus b minus of b is equal to 1 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. Root of the value of b square minus 4ac is 33 upon 2a is 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 plus minus root 33, 2 multiplied to 4. By taking positive sign, x equal to minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4, and by taking negative sign, x equal to minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. So the roots are x equal to minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. Third part is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to coefficient of x square, that is 4, b equal to coefficient of x, that is 4 root 3, and c is constant term, that is 3. And we know that the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First we find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b is 4 root 3. Therefore, square of 4 root 3 minus 4. A is 4 and c is 3. The square of 4 root 3, we can write it as 4 multiply root 3 multiply root 3. Because the square of 4 root 3 is 4 root 3 multiply 4 root 3. And we can write 4 multiply 4 and 3 root 3 multiply root 3. 4 multiply 4, that is 16, and root 3 multiply root 3 is 3. And 16 multiply 3 is 48. Therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac is 48 minus 4 multiply 4, 16, and 16 multiply 3, 48. And 48 multiply 48 is 0. Therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore, the root of given quadratic equation by quadratic formula is minus b plus minus 0, or we can write it as root of v square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b is b is equal to 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus minus the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore, the value of root of b square minus 4ac become also 0 upon 2. A is 4. Four is cancelled by 4, and the value of x is minus of root 3 upon 2 plus minus 0. Or we can write it as minus root 3 upon 2. By taking positive sign, it is minus root 3 upon 2, and also by taking negative sign, it is also minus root 3 of upon 2. So both roots are minus root 3 upon 2. The fourth part is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to coefficient of x square, that is 2, b equal to coefficient of x, that is 1, and c is constant term, that is 4. And we know that the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. First we find the value of b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac. b is 1, 1 squared minus 4, a is 2, and c is also 4. 1 minus 4 multiply 4 16, and 16 multiply 2 is 32. 1 minus 32, that is minus of 31, and minus of 31 is less than 0 because minus 31 is negative. But x equal to minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of b squared minus 4ac is minus 31. Therefore, the term is become negative, or we can write it as root of minus 31, and we cannot this value is not real, and we cannot find the root of minus 31. So since the square of a real number cannot be negative, or we can say we cannot find the value of root of minus 31. Therefore, x will not have any real number. Will not have any real value or a real root. So there are no real roots of given equation. No real of given quadratic equation. Or we can say the solution of given equation does not exist. The solution of given quadratic equation does not exist.